Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite. To begin your journey, you need to understand the core objective: be the last player or team standing. This involves mastering basic movement controls such as running, jumping, and crouching. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the user interface, paying close attention to the map and your inventory. These foundational skills are crucial for survival and success in every match. Once you've landed, your immediate priority is to find essential loot. Look for weapons, shield potions, and healing items to boost your survivability. Simultaneously, gather building materials such as wood, stone, and metal by harvesting objects in the environment. You can carry up to 500 units of each material. Efficiently manage your inventory, ensuring you have a balanced loadout of offensive and defensive items for various combat situations. Combat in Fortnite requires precision and quick thinking. Practice aiming and shooting with various weapon types, understanding their unique firing patterns. Building is a core mechanic. Use it to create defensive walls, ramps, and roofs to protect yourself and gain a tactical advantage. Mastering quick edits of your structures can turn the tide of a fight, allowing for swift offensive pushes or defensive retreats. To secure a victory royale, always be mindful of the shrinking storm circle and plan your rotations accordingly. Smart engagements are key. Know when to push an enemy and when to disengage to preserve your health and resources. Consistent practice across various game modes, including creative and arena, will significantly improve your overall skill level and help you achieve more wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.